Let's bake cookies today. Real easy. Betty Crocker mix, butter, and an egg. That's all it takes to make the cookies. But I like to put in coconut and nuts, just to spice it up a little bit, make it a little sweeter. Just be careful on the nuts, limit it, because those are walnuts. Sometimes I use almonds or pecans, because you don't want to overpower it, so not too much. I like the coconut. And that just sort of adds to the taste of the cookies. Nothing better than a warm cookie on a cold day. Take them into the office, bring them to friends. It'll be very popular. I've also known people, you gotta experiment a little bit. Some people put Fireball whiskey, the brownies and coconuts for adult entertainment. So thumbs up, subscribe. Okay, the ingredients are in there. I even decided to throw in some vanilla extract. Baking is all about what makes you happy. As long as you eat it, don't waste food. So coconut, walnuts, egg, butter, and just mix it all in together. And then the old Jesus trick, make smaller cookies. They last longer. And you feed a lot more people. So stay tuned for the final product as I mix it all up and crush the nuts a little bit more. All right, let's finish baking these cookies. You know, if I had some mint in there, I'd throw some mint, you know, crush up some peppermint patties. I don't have any. But these are going to be good. The big secret, smaller portions, undercook them. It says 350 for, what does it say here? I do it 350, which I use the convection. That automatically cuts it down to 325. I do it for 10 minutes. So if you undercook them, it makes them a little softer. It says 375 for 11 to 13 minutes for regular ones. Okay, so I'll do 350 for 10 minutes. And on convection, it cuts it down to 325. And just keep an eye on them. I don't know why you're not supposed to eat raw cookie dough. They say raw egg's not good for you, but tell that to Rocky. He's still around. Sylvester Stallone. But when you bake, experiment a little bit. Smaller portions, undercook them. And they'll just be fabulous. Stay tuned for the final product and the taste test. Okay, the final product. Now notice it says 22 to 24 inch cookies. I make 22 to 24. 4 times 5 is 20 right here. That's not even half the batch. Make them small. Again, the Jesus effect. How did he feed hundreds of people with a couple dozen loaves of bread and 3 or 4 fish? Small portions. Magic, folks. Now the spouse, she likes to keep the batter and just cook hot cookies when you want hot cookies. I disagree. Again, she likes sugar cookies anyway. I'll cook them all. Another big secret, you want hot cookies? All you gotta do is put them in the microwave for 5-10 seconds. Use a paper towel and dampen it a little bit, and magic, warm cookies. But nothing better. Let's try it. Fabulous. And you can taste the lemon. You can taste vanilla extract. You can smell it too. Nothing better than smell of fresh cookies. And it's football Sunday, folks. Enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe. Stay tuned for the continuing adventures.